The maximum number of equivalence relation on set A are, so set A is 1 comma 2 comma 3. The very first relation is from relation from A to A, that is A cross A relation, so which is 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2. So this is the relation number 1, that is relation from A to A. What is equivalence relation? So equivalence relation is a relation where the relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So whenever we are considering relation from A to A, it is always a reflexive, transitive and symmetric. Now let's consider another relation. Okay, here we are considering all the elements together. Now we will consider only reflexive part, that is only relation from A to A, means means all elements separately. We are considering all elements separately, that is 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3. We know that if identical pairs are there, it means that those relations are reflexive, symmetric and transitive as well. Okay, so this is the case of equivalence relation as well. Now let's consider R3. Here what we will do, we will consider 1 and 2 together and 3 alone. It means that 1 1, 2 2, 3 3 is there only, and we are considering 1 2 and 2 1. 1 and 2 together and 3 is alone. So we are not considering 3 now. So this is also a reflexive, symmetric and transitive. We can see 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1 is there, hence it is symmetric. If you are considering 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1, there must be 1 comma 1, that is 1 comma 1 is in the relation. Hence it is a transitive as well. So R3 also equivalence relation. Now for fourth relation, we will consider 1 and 3 together and 2 alone. Here we are considered 1 and 2 together. So now we will consider 1 and 3 together, that is 1 1 2 2 3 3, and 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 1, that is 1 and 3 together. So this is also equivalence relation. We can see 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 1, it is symmetric. 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 1 and 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 is also there in the relation, hence it is transitive as well. Now let's consider another relation. Now we have considered 1 and 2 together, 1 and 3 together. Now we will consider 2 and 3 together. So we will get 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3. We will consider 2 and 3 together. So it is 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 2. So it is also transitive, reflexive and symmetric. We can see 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 2 is there, hence it is symmetric. So 2 3 3 2. So 2 2 is also a pair is there, hence it is transitive. So we have considered all the possible values or possible outcomes or relations here. We have considered of very first relation as all elements together, all elements together. Second one is all elements separately. Separately means we have considered only 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 1 2 3 separately. Now here we have considered a 1 and 2, 1 and 2 together and 3 separately. Here we have considered 1 and 3 together and 2 separately. here we have considered 2 and 3 together and 1 as separately. Okay, so we got total 5 equivalence relation. So maximum number of equivalence relation is 5.